Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're talking about Model 3 power tailgates. Come on in our shop and check out what we've been working on. Now this Model 3 here has got a lot of options. In fact, it has almost every option on it, including our Razzo Aero Kit, carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber dashboard. Anyway, we're very excited to show everybody the new on-show automatic trunk opener liftgate for the Model 3. So as you walk up to your car, there's a few different ways you can operate this. But when you walk up to your car, it should automatically open and close and unlock, allowing you access to the power trunk. So when you walk up to the car and you want to open your trunk, you can do it from the app. You can close it from the app. And you also can open and close it from inside the car. And you can open and close it with this new button we've installed in the car. It's perfect. Now, the best part is the hands-free operation. Notice when I walk up that I wave my foot under the bumper, just simply back and forth, and the tailgate opens automatically. It's awesome. Throw in your groceries, your kids' cleats, their baseball gear. They can be in the car. Simply wave your foot, it closes. You also, let me show you from this side, you also can do all this remotely. When you pick up the kids from school and you see them coming, just simply click on the trunk button and look at the trunk. It's open. They throw in their backpacks. You say, come on, get in. You come back here, hit the button again, and it closes. It's factory, it's just the way it was developed or should have been developed as an option, but it's not an option, so we're happy to install it and warranty it here. Again, just wave your foot back and forth. And let's take a look at what we install. Of course, in the kit, there are the two power struts, all the accessories, the optional switch for the hands-free closing. But look at how beautiful this is. Everything we put in here looks factory. You have two power struts on each side. All the wires are hidden. We go through the wire harness. There's nothing to worry about, no warranty issues. There's simply a module installed in here that activates when this gets power. So every time you use your remote or you use your car to open and close it, this tells the unit to activate the shocks. It's that simple. Also, this is completely adjustable for height and also for speed. It can open and close slowly, and it can even open even higher than this, up to the very tippy top, and you can customize it just like Tesla does. You pick your height on the Model S, you hold the button in, you select the height you want it at, and it'll always open and close to this height. It's a great product, comes with a nice warranty from the manufacturer. We service it, we install it here in Southern California. Look at that, there's your new height. Want to change the height, raise it up to the top, hold the button in, and a matter of fact, this is the same way Model S and X work, so you can adjust the height on them. Want to close it, can't reach it, wave your foot. Even if your kids come to the car, let's say they're loading their stuff, just have them wave their foot underneath, back and forth, and close it. So again, we think it's a great option. We're installing them here. We've got limited quantities on hand. We have more coming. Again, it's the Han Show trunk and front power lift gates. No issues, no warranty issues. Everything is independent. It doesn't clip into your electronic systems or interfere with anything. And the best part, it's hands-free. Just back and forth with your foot. Well, you gotta get the right angle. Just back and forth. Opens and closes. Thanks again for checking in. RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Shipping these anywhere in the world right now, and also installing here in Southern California. Okay, now one more thing about the liftgate. We want everyone to understand there's two precautions you have to take. If you don't have your phone with you, you don't have a key fob, and your car is locked, of course it's not going to open. It's not going to respond. You can't unlock the car. It doesn't change anything. You can't open the doors. Nothing will open because the car is locked and there's no unlock sensor. Now, if I have my iPhone or a smartphone with me, even when I approach the car, it shows it's still locked. If the phone tells the car I'm here, I'm carrying my groceries, and it opens. So this is the best liftgate on the market. It's awesome. The only other precaution we have to take is car washes. If you go through a car wash, and most of them are in park or neutral, have the doors locked. If the doors are locked, you can't open the power liftgate. Nothing can set the sensor off underneath. No rain, no rollers, anything. Nothing will make it open in the car wash, so keep the doors locked in car washes. Thanks again.